Imagine opening a garage and seeing a machine that looks less like a car and more like a spacecraft ready for launch. That's exactly the feeling you get from the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, a hypercar concept that redefines what performance means in the electric age. Built as a collaboration between Lamborghini and MIT, the Terzo Millennio represents a bold vision of what a Lamborghini could be in 2026 and beyond. This isn't just about speed. It's about science, design, and pure futuristic emotion. Let's step inside the future. A design that looks alive. From the exterior shots, the first thing that stands out is the aggressive, ultra-low stance. The body looks carved from a single piece of shadowy matte black, razor-sharp, and impossibly aerodynamic. The front end features Y-shaped LED light signatures that slice through the darkness. These lights aren't just for visibility, they define the car's identity. Lamborghini has always treated lighting like a signature, but here it becomes architecture. Look at the wheels. They glow with electric blue turbine patterns, giving the impression that energy is constantly flowing through the car. It's not just design flair, it visually communicates the idea that this machine is powered differently from anything on the road today. From the rear, the Terzo Millennio appears almost alien. The angular tail lights stretch like illuminated blades, while deep aerodynamic channels sculpt the airflow. Every surface has purpose. Nothing is decorative. This is performance turned into sculpture. A cockpit from a sci-fi movie. The interior image reveals something extraordinary. Instead of a traditional dashboard, you get a fully digital command center. It feels more like piloting a stealth aircraft than driving a car. A panoramic display spans across the front, delivering real-time vehicle data, performance metrics, and navigation. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin like energy pulses, reinforcing the futuristic theme. The steering wheel is compact and heavily sculpted, designed to feel like an extension of the driver rather than a tool. Controls are minimal, precise, and purpose-driven. There's no clutter, only function. This cockpit doesn't just let you drive. It immerses you. The electric revolution, but not as you know it. Here's where things get truly groundbreaking. The Terzo Millennio isn't imagined with traditional lithium-ion batteries. Instead, it explores the use of supercapacitors, a technology capable of storing and releasing energy much faster than conventional batteries. What does that mean for performance? Instant power delivery. Extreme efficiency. Near limitless charge cycles. In simple terms, the car could accelerate with explosive force again and again without the degradation typical of current F batteries. But the real science fiction idea is even wilder: energy storage built directly into the carbon fiber body. The structure of the car itself could act as an energy reservoir. The chassis isn't just a frame, it becomes part of the power system. This concept pushes the idea that the future of cars isn't just electric, a broken bar, it's integrated. Performance beyond numbers. Lamborghini hasn't released official production specs, because this is a vision car, but the design philosophy makes one thing clear: performance remains sacred. Expect independent electric motors at each wheel, instant torque vectoring, near perfect weight distribution, extreme aerodynamic efficiency. Without a traditional engine, designers gain total freedom over shape and balance. That's why the Terzo Millennio looks so radically low and wide. It's optimized for speed in ways combustion engines never allowed. If realized for 2026, this type of architecture could deliver acceleration that feels almost unreal. Not loud, not violent, just relentless. Self-healing carbon fiber. One of the most futuristic ideas behind the Terzo Millennio is self-healing materials. The concept explores carbon fiber structures that can detect micro cracks and repair themselves using embedded nanotubes. Think of it like a body that heals after stress. For a hypercar, this is revolutionary. High-performance machines endure enormous forces, and structural longevity is always a challenge. A car that can maintain its integrity automatically changes the game. This isn't just innovation for speed, it's innovation for durability and sustainability. Why this matters for 2026? You might be wondering, is this just a concept, or a preview of real cars? The answer is both. Automakers often use concept vehicles to explore technologies years before they reach production. The Terzo Millennio acts as a research platform, a statement of direction. By 2026, several elements could realistically appear in future Lamborghinis. Advanced electric drivetrains, next-generation energy storage, radical aerodynamic design, fully digital driver environments. The goal isn't to replicate the concept exactly. It's to translate its philosophy into reality. And that philosophy is clear: emotion must survive electrification. The future of Lamborghini identity. One big question hangs over every electric supercar: can it still feel like a Lamborghini? Traditionally, the brand is known for thunderous engines, dramatic styling, and visceral presence. The Terzo Millennio answers that challenge not with sound but with sensation. Visual drama replaces exhaust roar. Instant acceleration replaces engine buildup. Light and motion replace mechanical noise. It's not quieter. It's different. This concept suggests the future Lamborghini experience will be defined by intensity, not tradition. A hypercar that redefines possibility. Looking at the images again are the illuminated wheels, the jet-like cockpit, the sculpted black body. It's clear this machine is meant to inspire, not just transport. It represents a moment where engineering meets imagination. If even half of its technology reaches production vehicles, the impact on the automotive world will be massive. Not just for luxury cars, but for how we think about energy, materials, and performance. The Terzo Millennio isn't just a car. It's a blueprint for the next era of speed,